Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, this testimony, this civil justice closure sign off is for Sicily Archbishop, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, the Satan, the other face of Pope Francis, the Vatican leader. He only misguided and educated the USA nation to never provide any pro se salary to I am Vedapriya, pro se true civil lawyer, I Vedapriya, pro se true civil doctor, I Vedapriya, pro se true civil supreme judge. Okay, so as of February 1st of 2021, I Vedapriya, I am pro se civil lawyer, and USA never provided pro se salary to I am Vedapriya, a true civil lawyer, civil doctor, a true civil supreme judge, is the deadliest crime of USA at fault and found guilty USA. For DWD error, Department of Workforce never have job code and defined salary of at least tax-free $100,000, and because of for the pro se, and that is a $1 trillion error. Then the Department of Justice error is Department of Justice never able to provide pro se salary to I am Vedapriya for at least that at least could have helped me in economic status improvement process. So that is another $1 trillion error. Then Department of Health Services error is then Department of Health Services never educated DWT to provide pro se job code with defined salaries, another standalone $1 trillion error of Department of Health Services. Then Treasury, Federal and IRS tax agencies error is of USA. They never provided tax services correctly in USA forever with the proof how USA nation never provided tax services for child marriage population in past 500 years, when USA nation is ruled by Jesuits leader, Vatican leader, face of Pope Francis, only Sicily Archbishop, who is also a co-prince of Andorra, Spain. The Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist is another $1 trillion scandal. And Sicily Archbishop, co-prince of Andorra, Spain, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, gave 666 mark of the beast hell justice poverty mandate handbook to USA nation to provide only injustice and punish innocent, and misguided and destroyed USA national operations. And with fatal negligence, Sicily Archbishop, co-prince of Andorra, Spain, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, failed to educate Department of Workforce Division must provide job code for pro se, at least a salary of tax-free $100,000. So, civil justice as of February 1st of 2021, Part A civil justice is at fault and found guilty Sicily Archbishop, co-prince of Andorra, Spain, Roman Jesuits, Vatican leader, should pay tax-free, direct deposit, tax-free $50,000 trillion to I Vedapriya pro se, a true civil lawyer, a true civil doctor, a true civil supreme judge. For there is never pro se job code and defined salary in United States of America as of February 1st of 2021. Part B civil justice as of February 1st of 2021 is at fault and found guilty USA nation must direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 and another tax-free $100,000 for damages done, poverty enforced, finance loss created, damages, and finance disability for I am Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyers, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. At fault and found guilty, State of Wisconsin DWD, Department of Workforce Division must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. Then at fault and found guilty, State of Wisconsin Department of Justice must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil judge, true civil doctor. At fault and found guilty, State of Wisconsin Department of Health Services must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I Vedapriya, pro se, I pro se Vedapriya, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. Then at fault and found guilty, State of Wisconsin tax, IRS, Treasury, Federal Reserve must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I Vedapriya. Sicily Archbishop, co-prince of Andorra, Spain is the coronavirus. Sicily Archbishop, co-prince of Andorra, Spain must should say what is pro se, or Sicily Archbishop, co-prince of Andorra, Spain should say don't know what is pro se. I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. One, the civil justice is a proof why I am excellent supreme civil chief civil judge to lead justice for all nations, and I, Vedapriya, am excellent family law judge for all nations, and civil justice wins always is done. So thank you all for your time. Just be aware, I am that I am born to save the world. I sure will get the civil justice for entire mankind. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.